Pop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on a Las Vegas trip tonight.
Hey guys, morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's another Style With Me episode and I'm so excited to do this. Gamit na gamit ko tong clothing piece na to recently and every time I wear it and share it sa stories ko, ang dami talagang nag-ask or nagko-question sa akin kung saan ko nabibili yung mga trousers ko. So for today's video, yes, our Style With Me is featuring the one and only trousers. And I got you guys kasi iisang shop lang siya. So pwede kayong mag-hoard ng maraming colors. And I think they have the basic colors like black, white, and beige. So without further ado, let's start this video. Let's start off with the color white first kasi ito yung something na very fresh, laging suot-suot ko. So, I have here a white trousers, super favorite, ultimate fave ko to. As in, ito yung lagi kong gamit na pinapakita ko sa mga stories ko. Kasi lahat ng top na pinapartner ko dito nagiging instant classy siya. Parang nagiging instant girl boss yung dating niya. Parang very corporate attire yung datingan niya. Very formal din. And I love the material of this one. Very flowy lang yung material niya and hindi siya mainit at all. And itong trousers na to guys, super ma-recommend ko to sa mga petite girls out there like me. Because my waistline is always 23, 24. So, ito sobrang ma-recommend ko tong trousers na to kasi sobrang sakto yung sizing nung shop nila. Sobrang ma-recommend ko talaga, thumbs up talaga sa sizing nila. As in, perfect na perfect for those petite girls. And I love it. Walang alter to guys, promise. It comes with a pocket and meron din siyang zipper and button dito. Sa likod, wala siyang pockets as is lang. Although yung material niya, hindi naman siya super kapal, hindi rin siya super nipis. Pero I suggest na magsuot kayo ng beige or skin tone color na undies para mas seamless tignan. Something very classy and sophisticated look. I would really go for these trousers. So for our outfit number 1, so I paired it off with this Shein na black tank top. Meron siyang design na parang pa-boob area, like bra type yung design niya. So, I really love this. It's very minimalist but at the same time very classy. Definitely, these are the kinds of outfits that I would really go for. Running errands, going to the mall, having brunch, something like that. Hindi kasi siya namimili and pwede siya sa kahit anong occasion actually. And of course, for our shoes, nagbabalik ang clear heels natin. Syempre, hindi mawawala sa haul ko ang clear heels because wearing clear heels, it's so classy. As in, sobrang simple and elegant lang niya. For our outfit number 2, this is something that I wore already and I'm planning to wear again kasi I haven't got the chance to take cute pictures out of this outfit. And sinuot ko lang siya one time nung pumunta ako ng hotel. That's it. And using the same white trousers, I will be pairing it off with a beige na top. And this one, super love this. It has this lace material. Pero at the same time, meron siyang mesh detail at the back, which I so love. And also, it's very chic and stylish at the same time. I love this bustier effect. Yellow undertone khaki siya. And I really love this one whenever I wear this. And like, pair it with a lot of gold accessories. Sobrang ganda ng look na to. I feel like I'm really classy girl boss yung datingan niya, but at the same time, very minimalist pa rin tayo. This outfit, nung sinuot ko siya outside, I wore it with the same clear heels because I just wanted to tone everything down and just focus on the lace details and the gold accessory. I don't want so much going on with my footwear. I don't know, parang mas more on like the classy, clean looking yung style ko. Trick lang for this outfit number 1 and 2, make sure to wear a lot of gold accessories but still maintaining the level of elegance. So I have another option for the top dun sa outfit number 2 kasi very similar siya. This is a new top for me and I got this one naman from Shein. So I'm giving you like 2 options. Same style, like white and then beige yung top nyo. But this one naman, it's like a actual bustier top talaga na meron siyang foam right here. So you don't have to wear an actual bra right here. Pero it gives me like a lingerie vibe sa likod kasi detalye siya. Although this is more on the pricier side, but I could say na the quality is super nice. I also love the design. For our outfit number 3, now I have here a khaki trousers, or more of like on the darker side of khaki. Kasi when I say khaki or beige, it's like a cream kind na medyo mas lighter. Well, this one is like a dark kind of khaki, more of like a brown in color na siya. But still on the category of khaki pa rin. I don't know why it seems like sobrang mas lighter siya on camera, but in person it's much more darker. So ayan siya. Same lang din yung pinagbilan ko ng shop. It's just that khaki yung variation neto. But if I will compare it dun sa white one, this one has a garter sa may likod niya, which is a plus point talaga, especially for those petite girls kung gusto nyo mas cinch in yung waist nyo. I highly recommend this trousers talaga. And same pa rin, meron pa rin lalagyanan ng mga belt, buttons, zipper, and meron siyang pockets. Wala siyang pockets sa likod. And flowy pa rin yung material niya. I could say na very similar siya dun sa white na trousers na pinakita ko. Well, considering na iisang shop lang siya and iisang length lang naman siya. I like the flowy material. I don't like the super stiff kasi ang init nun, and minsan namimili siya ng fabric or top pag pinapartneran nyo yung mga as in very stiff trousers. Parang mukha lang siyang office wear, ganon. But with this one, you can wear it sa beach, pwede siyang pang formal. So this is more of like a versatile kind of trousers, kaya marirecommend ko talaga siya. And for our top, I decided to use a white ruche top. This one is from Shein. And I just feel like sobrang bagay na bagay ni partner yung mga trousers sa mga hubadera tops. Sobrang nice niya. Hindi ko pa siya nasusuot outside, sadly. So, yeah. For our shoes naman, I wanted to highlight the white color in this outfit. So, I decided to pair it with a slippers na white heels lang from Shein. And a square cut yung toe area niya, which I so love. I'm so obsessed. I had an era na sobrang obsessed talaga ako sa mga square cut na toe, where I feel like sobrang Y2K vintage, at the same time classy talaga siya. Mag-pair na lang kayo ng a pop of color sa inyong bags para lang well put together yung outfit nyo. For our fourth outfit is the one that I am wearing. As you can see, I love wearing hubadera tops talaga sa mga trousers. So kanina nag-white outfit tayo. On this one naman, medyo on the darker side siya. I'm wearing a black knitted top. This one is also from Shopee. And I'm so in love with this top. It also comes with a bunch of colors like white, beige, and then ito. But I chose the color black because you know me, I'm biased when it comes to color black. Ito siya sa likod. There's a party at the back. Since sobrang backless lang yung likod niya, I decided to pair it with my ever favorite na black heels. Every time nagsastyle with me tayo or nagpapakita ako ng mga haul sa inyo, parang ito yung paulit-ulit kong ginagamit. Which means, sulit na sulit talaga siya. And I'm never gonna stop showing it here on my channel. Worth every single of penny is this black heels. As in, hindi talaga ako OA. Favorite ko talaga siya. And I feel like sobrang sexy. At the same time, very simple lang kasi maliit lang yung heels niya. So kahit na maglakad-lakad kayo ng a long period of time, hindi kayo mangangawit. Kasi parang actual na sandals na slippers lang siya. Tapos may 2 to 3 inches in height. I love the patent leather. There's nothing more that I could say because gas-gas na tong heels na to sa channel ko. For our last and final outfit, this one is a must. Kung isa lang yung kukunin yung trousers sa lahat ng to, make sure to get this trousers because this one is in the color black. And this one is a basic necessity when you are building your wardrobe. You should definitely get a black trousers. Kahit hindi na yung white or yung beige, kung nagtitipid kayo, make sure to get this black one. Kasi magagamit nyo talaga siya in so many ways. I feel like ito yung very school appropriate attire, office wear attire, something na very pang formal, pang casual, and for any occasion. And in terms naman sa height neto guys, get a small and saktong-sakto lang siya for girls who are 5'2 to 5'3. Pero kung yung height nyo medyo nasa 5'5", I feel like you should size up. It doesn't really matter naman dun sa mismong sizing dito sa my waist kasi meron naman po siyang garter. So, masicinch in pa rin siya kahit medium yung kunin nyo. So, yun lang. Sobrang sulit talaga tong mga trouser na to. Our white top, this is a white knitted DIY top. I also did a dedicated video where I styled 6 for 7 lata. 6 styles using only this top. Iba-ibang klaseng style and designs of this. Using this one lang. And I featured it dun sa previous na style with me ko. Kung nagtitipid kayo but you still wanna look stylish, then definitely get this one kasi for one piece of clothing, sobrang daming styles na mamamake out of it. So definitely marirecommend ko to. So, it's another black and white outfit. As you can see, bumabalik talaga ako sa era na black and white basic. Maybe because hindi pa summer, pero onti-onti natin ibabalik yung colors pagpalapit na siguro yung summer. Hindi ko lang siguro ramdam, kaya puro black and white lang din ako ngayon. For our shoes, I paired it off with my ultimate favorite platform slippers. This one is the black and white na platform slippers. Hindi kasi siya yung katulad ng platform slippers na nakikita ko from other influencers na medyo mas manipis. This one is really, really chunky. Medyo may onting weight talaga siya. Yun lang yung downside niya. Nonetheless, everything looks perfect. This one is definitely leather. I just hope na kahit na minsan nababasa ko siya, sana hindi mabilis magbakbak yung leather. But we'll see. I'll update you naman guys from my Style With Me's naman. The more na pinapakita ko siya sa mga Style With Me videos ko or sa mga hauls ko, pag may mga nire-repeat akong nire-recommend sa inyo sa mga videos ko, it means it's a good piece talaga na you should really invest in. And I feel like this trousers is a very good investment. Medyo pricey siya. I think nasa 500 pesos. You can use it for the long run naman. So, yun lang yung marirecommend ko. And these trousers are not limited to only what I showed you dito sa 5 styles na pinakita ko. There are much more, many more styles that you can pair with these trousers. So, that's about it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm just so happy na bumabalik na tayo sa weekly vlogs. I hope and pray na magtuloy-tuloy na ulit yung weekly vlogs ko. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!